guys. Sorry it's been so long since I've uploaded a video. I don't know, like, I'm home and doing things every day, I guess, but just kind of feeling a little bit blah and not really, I don't know, working on my diamond paintings a little bit, but I don't know, just kind of hanging out in the heat and just resting, and I guess I'm going back to work this week, so hopefully kind of starting to get back into a normal routine and, you know, see where that takes us over the next few weeks and months as, you know, school starts again and I start going back to work and, you know. Anyway, so I got this package in the mail today. This is the first package I've gotten probably about 6 weeks or so. I actually hadn't ordered very many. So, you know, it is what it is. Let's see if I can find my measuring tape here. I can't, so I'm not going to be able to measure this one. Anyway, I ordered this one. It was kind of funny. I was sitting at a bus stop. I just got my hair cut and was kind of scrolling through some of the sales and stuff, and I found this one. It was a 30 by 40, and it was only $9.80 Canadian, I think. So I decided to give it a try. It was from a store I hadn't heard of. It was the ANCY, ANCYE store. I didn't really, I thought, oh, I'll give them a shot and see if I like them. I've kind of been having some issues with my home funds with a lot of popping drills and stuff, so kind of just trying some different companies here to see if I can find something that I like. But anyway, so this one I ordered it June 6th, June 8th, and today is July 27th. So this one did take like 7 weeks to come, but like everything's slow right now. So, you know, I've heard things have been picking up, but we'll see. I've got a few more on order, hoping it won't take this long, but let's get into this. The packaging looks nice. It's good quality, thick packaging, and it feels quite heavy. So we'll see what's in here. Oh, a little crumpled. Kind of learned my lesson with that can that I did, that I can work through the crumpled paper, but oh, this one's pretty crumpled. So the drills are packaged on the inside. It doesn't look like there's a foam roller. There's no tape, no elastics, nothing like that. Just kind of all wrapped up in a ball here. So let's open this up. Oh, the canvas looks really nice. It's a nice thick canvas. Pretty crumpled. Let's take a peek and see. Where to start with something like this, hey? Ah, it's a nice canvas. Okay, I'm just gonna start here. I'm gonna see if I can get this to lay flat. Ooh, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. Well, actually, I don't know if you can see that yet, but that really looks nice and clear, and for what I paid for this. You know, it's kind of I find that it's been so hit and miss with all these, like there seems to be more and more and more stores on AliExpress, and some are knockoffs, some are totally new stores. Like it just seems to be really, really hit and miss what you're ordering and who you're ordering from. So I think it's going to be some trial and error, I guess, but I've been lucky so far. I haven't gotten any flops, so you know, oh, that's right on that crease. Like it actually is creased so much it tore the paper. Okay, I'm gonna put that back down. Probably will need some time to lie flat, but you know, underneath the wrinkles, like the glue is actually really nice. So, like there's no rivers or bubbles. That's not good. My paper's torn there. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that, you guys. Like, I don't know if you can see it. My lighting's not the best today. Really nice clear drill field. That's very nice. Take a quick peek here. There is an inventory sheet, which is a nice little treat. So, take a peek. We have a toolkit. Look at that. There's actually 2 pens in there. There is the clear pen with a 10 placer and a pink pen with the 4 placer, and a sheet of wax and a few baggies and the white trays. I really like these white trays, so that's nice. take a peek here at our inventory sheet and stuff. Just a sec. Sorry, there's somebody at our door. Anyway, let's start this again. Oh, it's really sticky. There we go. Oh, it's opening up. I'm still in my shot here. Okay. So the picture is, there is our image. It's this like silhouette of this black tree with a sunset in the back. I thought it'd be pretty. So yeah, there is an inventory sheet. It looks like there is a lot of colors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18, 20, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. 45 colors, which is huge. That's really great. And it shows that it has tweezers, but no tweezers. It's a different toolkit than they're advertising. But anyway, the symbols, if you can see those, they look nice and clear. Lots of just different alphabets. There's a few weird ones, like those ones there are a little odd, but anyway, overall, you know, this is quite nice. Excited to do this one. Drills are packaged very nicely. Can't really see the printing on that one. That one looks like a 310. But that purple, is that ever pretty? They're nice and clear, easy to read. Doesn't look like there's a lot of trash in those drills. That's kind of nice. Wow. Anyway, so the only thing I'll have to do is check to make sure that this is true to size, but you know, it looks like it is. The drill field looks nice and clear. Just this, it's weird. No, you know, oh gosh, you know what I bet I did? I've never done that. I bet you I cut it when I opened my package. That's what I did. I used the X-Acto knife and I bet you I cut it. Shoot. Oh well, I'm sure I can work around that. My fault. Say it looks like it was cut and I'm like, yeah, probably by me. Anyway, that's really nice. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's pull that back so you can see the whole image. That's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. You can see all the detail in there. I think that's going to be nice and detailed for the size I got. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm anxious to work this one up and see what it looks like. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick box opening. Hope everybody's doing well. Yeah, I've got a couple more diamond paintings on the way. I've got one from Helican. And I've ordered a couple from my mom from Home Fun. And I've actually also ordered one of those miniature doll kits. So I'm kind of excited to do that. I definitely will do a box opening when I get it. I've seen a few videos, but not a lot of box openings on them. So I'm anxious to get it and actually see what they look like, the little room boxes. So anyway, that's kind of my next endeavor. But anyway, guys, thanks for taking a peek at this with me, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.